Shit happens. I'm not gonna lie. This one hurt. This hurts. It's a $50,000 truck. It's brand fucking new. Welcome back to Mammoth 4runner, and we are officially on the rear fenders of the 6th gen build. I hope you guys have been enjoying this. This is a 3.5 long travel kit that's going on this truck, along with 38-inch tires. So I just finished up the front fenders, and we did a high clearance cut and a Viper cut. So I'll leave a link in the description to those two videos, along with part 1 of this long travel install, where it kind of went over just breaking down the truck and the basic parts that are going into this build. But basically what we are working with the rear of the 6th gen, we're a lot more limited than we were with the Tacoma. But basically with the 6th gen, we are limited by the door. So it puts us in a bit of an awkward position fitting large tires. This is the weather stripping. We can't get rid of it, and obviously we cannot cut the door. But we can make a lot of room back here. I'm basically gonna be widening the wheel well as much as I can. This is where it pretty much cuts off. So this will be my line. I'll be cutting just around here. There's a plastic clip holding on this rear bumper, so I'm not gonna be cutting past the point that holds that on. So I'll just be right here, and I'll be following it straight all the way down. And again, it's just gonna open up this whole part of the wheel well. And you're probably wondering about the front, because you are limited in the front. Not as bad as the back, but you are limited, especially with your up travel. So what I'll be doing eventually, not in this video, but when they are available, I'll be getting adjustable lower and upper control arms, which then I'll be able to move the axle back 1 to 2 inches, probably more around the 1 inch, because if you go back too far, you're gonna have to upgrade your drive shaft and mess with a few other things. So for the sake of this video today, we are just gonna be doing the cutting, and I will show you what we're gonna be doing with the plastic fenders to make this all look nice and, you know, OEM, just with cuts here and there, just like the front. So anyway, let's go ahead and jump into this. Let's get this chopped up and start the high clearance fender cut. All right, so mistakes happen, and this is why I do these things, so that you guys don't make those mistakes. Even though I try not to make mistakes, shit happens. But I cut too high. I thought this was pinched together at this height. I was wrong. So now it's all open, unfortunately. So don't go that high. On the other side, I'll be going a lot lower. Luckily, I'm over here at Wicked Creations, and we're able to fix it. So we're gonna be welding that all back together, adding new metal, cleaning it up, and fixing it. So we're gonna go much lower on the other side. In the meantime, I'm gonna get this cleaned up, and Wicked's gonna come over here, and they're gonna weld it up for me and get it fixed. But shit happens. I'm not gonna lie, this one hurt. This hurts. It's a $50,000 truck. It's brand fucking new. So here's my line for the plastic, just to try to make it look, you know, I could go up more because of where I cut in behind, but I want to try to keep it looking as clean as possible. So be cutting right here, following it out. And then just follow this line to even it out with the back here. So I did trim up the weather stripping right here in the door, just to get it a little clean. I'm gonna clean it up a little bit more. But you do see this with my cut. So this is my cut. I'll show you why I had to clean that up. So there's my cut, and you can see from this angle right here, you can see the weather stripping. So I decided to just trim it up, and now you can't see it. Looks good. Alright, so it is a new day. We're on a new side, and we are ready for something new and better than yesterday to happen with these cuts. So I got my tape. Now let's check this out. I'll show you where I messed up and where your line should be. And I really don't know how I missed this yesterday, but obviously right here is where it pinches together. I went up and above, so we want to stay right down here. So I'm going to tape this off. I'm still going to bring it down to the edge here, cut that off, and follow it along, obviously just like the other side. But we're just going to stay much, much lower this time around. So here we go. Let's tape it up. There's the upper control arms and lower control arms in the rear. You know, once we move the axle back, it's just opening up all this space back here to help better clear the tires. And the bump stop, of course, is gonna limit everything and help everything not go up. But right now I'm just fighting for every inch that I can. That's what she said. Go ahead and get this sanded down, cleaned up, and then I'll start on the plastic fenders. And finally, we're done cutting. I'm fucking tired of cutting. Over it. All right, so I am super pleased with this side. I am so grateful that I was able to get at least one side perfect. So let me show you what we're working with. All right, so I got the fender cut. I still have to cut this little edge of the weather stripping, not the actual weather stripping, just this little tiny edge here, which won't make a difference. So going all the way up through here, I mean, it's just a perfect cut, and it's right on the edge of the pinch, and it goes all the way up and around up to the top. And I didn't cut in right here. God, I don't know what I was thinking on the first one, but I went ahead and curved it in and brought it all the way. So I did my final cut, and then I pretty much just grinded it all the way back as far as I could really go, as far as back as I needed to go. I know that from this angle you can see, you got to remember, I'm going to have a door lining on here and on here, so you shouldn't be able, you'll see it from this side, this angle, but you won't be able to see it from the front facing angle like this. I can't get over here because of this lift, but yeah, it turned out really good. I'm happy with it. It's a little curved in some areas. I might get the grinder and grind it down a little bit more. Not 100% necessary, but just, you know, whatever your tolerance is for this kind of stuff. So I'm actually gonna hit this one more time, and then yeah, we'll go ahead and add some paint to it, make sure that there's no rusting is gonna happen. I'll do that on both sides. And then to finish this off, let's see how Wicked did the other side, fixing my mistake.
I got Wicked over here patching up my mess up. It pays to be able to do this stuff in a shop that specializes in fabrication. Because if this happened in my garage, I would still be crying. And I cried quite a bit on this one. So mistakes happen, it's part of it. Hopefully I made this one so you guys don't have to if you are looking to do this. And remember, you could always hammer these things in if you wanted to. You don't necessarily have to cut, but if you do, just be very careful on the cuts you're making.
Alrighty guys, so that does it for the high clearance rear fender cut. The final product came out very well, especially after Wicked was able to fix my big mistake in the beginning, but hey, shit happens. This is part of the process of building these trucks. You make mistakes. I hope you guys all enjoyed the video. Make sure you stay tuned because part 2 of the long travel kit for the 6th Gen 4runner, full installation, is coming soon. So make sure you guys check that out, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.